home decorating ideas, a comfortable living room, perhaps slightly dated in its decor. Welcome. I'm so excited to help you transform this space into the home of your dreams. I see a lot of potential here, just waiting to be unleashed. I'm excited too. I've been wanting to update this room for ages, but I'm not sure where to start. It feels a bit blah. I understand. Many people feel overwhelmed by the prospect of decorating, but it doesn't have to be. Let's break it down. First, let's talk about your style. What kind of look are you drawn to? Modern, rustic, minimalist, eclectic? I really like a warm, inviting feel. Maybe a bit of a modern farmhouse vibe, but not too rustic. Comfortable and stylish. Perfect. That gives us a great starting point. One of the easiest ways to inject warmth and style is with color. What are your favorite colors? I love blues and greens, and I'm also drawn to warm neutrals like beige and cream. Excellent choices. We can use those as our base. Think about painting one wall as an accent in a soft blue or green. It adds a focal point and visual interest. Then, we can use your neutral colors for the main walls to keep the space light and airy. Next, let's consider the furniture. Do you have any pieces you love and want to keep? I really like my sofa, but I'm open to replacing the armchairs and coffee table. We can work with that. Perhaps some new armchairs in a complementary color or pattern, and a coffee table that ties in the modern farmhouse style, maybe wood with metal accents. Now, let's talk about the details, the accessories that really bring a room to life. Think about adding texture with throw pillows and blankets. A beautiful rug can define the space and add warmth underfoot. And don't forget about art. A statement piece above the sofa or a gallery wall can add personality and reflect your style. This wall would be perfect for a gallery wall. We could incorporate family photos, artwork you love, and maybe even some decorative mirrors to bounce light around the room. And finally, don't underestimate the power of plants. A few strategically placed plants can bring life and freshness to any room. I hope you like my video. Don't forget subscribe.